But to show you how to patch a hole, people usually put fists through it, bam, put elbows through it. Here you go. This is what it is. A wall repair patch. They got different sizes. This size right here fits this hole just right. It's self-adhesive. Fill that off the back. Put it over the hole. It keeps it strong so the mud don't fall out. Get your knife. Press your mud in. Press it nice and firm and tight. Hold your trowel nice and firm. Gotta have a nice grip. Feather your edges out. Smooth the middle out. You don't want to hump it. You want it to be flat as possible. So this is coat number 1. It's called patching a hole in under a minute. Wham. It's called patching a hole, 1 minute.